To check your transaction history on Lyft, you can easily access your ride details and payment information through the app or website. Follow these steps to view your transaction history. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction details. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top left or right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings and ride history. Step 3. Access ride history. Look for the option labeled Ride History or Your Trips. This section contains a list of all your past rides, including dates, times, and destinations. Step 4. Select a specific ride. Scroll through your ride history and select a specific ride to view more details. Here, you can see the fare breakdown, payment method, and any applicable promotions or discounts. Step 5. Review transaction details. After selecting a ride, review the transaction details displayed on the screen. You can also find options to download or share your receipt if needed. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your Lyft transaction history. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for assistance.